under pressure for your Mag 7 names in today's trading. Semiconductor And that is your opening bell on Wall Street. Taking a look there at Fiverr at the New York Stock Exchange. You've also got the NASDAQ on your screen. Want to take a look at markets kind of sputtering into the trade this morning after hitting another record all-time high, the second of the year on Tuesday. By the way, this time last year, the market had already had 11 all-time highs. So when you put it in that context, the all-time highing is not as exciting so far this year, but certainly good news for investors. It's interesting to see kind of the sell-off that we saw on Thursday in treasuries in particular. We saw treasury yields moving higher following this idea of more inflation to be baked into the market, perhaps a little bit fueled by the commentary we got from President Trump about tariffs to come on autos, chips, and pharmaceuticals. So we will continue to be having conversations about the impact of those tariffs. As I mentioned here, you see a little bit of a sell-off happening in the major averages. The S&P down nearly 0.2%. Your tech-heavy NASDAQ down nearly 0.2% as well. I want to pull up specifically the NASDAQ here because I want to take a look at the chips names in particular here. And it is interesting to see kind of the move to the upside that we're seeing in the chip stocks. In particular, on Tuesday, we saw chips names being the biggest drivers of movement to the upside in chips names. You can see on your screen here, you've got a lot of these big tech names moving to the downside. NVIDIA coming off of its highs from yesterday following that rally in semiconductor stocks, not necessarily driven by any huge fundamental shift in the semiconductor space, but especially given that news I just mentioned on Trump tariffs on chips names, you'd think there'd be more of a sell-off, but we saw a rally starting in those chips names to start the week of trade this week, and then that did continue into the end of the trading day. But here you can see a lot of pressure on those big tech names, Apple and Tesla and Google, all under pressure for your Mag 7 names in today's trade so far. Let's get to Yahoo Finance's Jared Blickery for a broader look at what's moving. Hey, Jared.
Hey, Maddie. Well, I thought we'd get back to the S&P 500.
How you guys doing today? It's looking a little bit off today. It says low at the open, so there's gonna be an imbalance somewhere. I just wanna move this out. Sorry. So how's everyone doing today? It should be going up. Hold on for just a second. Okay, so I didn't trade yesterday because new week, new price wasn't doing as well I thought it would, and I was a little tired from the day, so don't really know. Let me see something. We haven't connected my yeah. Can you guys see the chat? You can. They should work now. Just gonna quickly solve some things before getting started. So today's trading day is not from the market open, everything looked good apparently. So we're just gonna keep it fuck with everyone. So yeah, I can hear some echo. Okay, so everything is good right now. So just give me. Just have Avenue. I had a new website I saw, so I just want to quickly add that to the new thing. Hold on for a moment. Yeah, you have the you have the pound dollar. Everyone's down. Just know that everyone's down for some reason. Everyone's really, really down. You name it. I want to bring up my watch list to show you that everyone's down. Wait, it's not coming up. It should, yeah. Everyone's down. Everyone is down. Everyone and anyone you know is down. So we just want to wait for price action to just come back up and we just hit it from there. Or we could have also knocked it out from here. So let's go over to Fin Forex Factory to see any needs that we can find. Let's go to Forex Factory. Hopefully it would. So anything, we can see. Everyone's going long on it. No, no, no. I want to see the calendar. So yeah, I changed the calendar. So today, wait, today's Wednesday. Yeah, we'll have a meeting by 2 o'clock. We also have CPI for the pound. So pound can't say, USD can't say. So two things here. So I think that's it. Really, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Thursday's good. So Thursday, I'll definitely be trading then. Friday, wow. Mm, that's for Euro. So, yeah, so it's only on Euro and Pound. So, apart from those two, we're straight on that. Mm, let's go to Finviz and see how everything is doing. So, right now we see that yen, the yen is up. I don't know how. That means there's something affecting ever the pair currency. Because we know that the pound is not doing well right now. The pound is not doing well. It has the CPI or PPI news today, so it's down. The pound too on the pound dollar is not also doing well. So there's definitely something wrong with the pound. On the USD, JP, I don't know why this hasn't updated. Cause saying, cause everyone's down and it's showing that he's up. Probably have to refresh. Don't want to buy no course. We don't buy courses here. Trade is our intellectual. I don't know why it's saying it's down. I wanted to get into futures today. Hopefully I can. I just want to see how the thing works. I watched the video on it. It probably said that I should start with micro, micro futures because it's less capital, and you can't train the mini ones unless you know what you're doing and you can do it. I don't know. So let's see. Wait, yeah, I saw. You telling me you trade sugar? You're trading sugar now? Cotton. Damn. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. 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 So we only have one, two, we only have seven, eight pairs. Damn. I don't know. So let's just go back to Forex and the screener. Yeah. I don't know why this is showing up meanwhile it's down here. So I can't say. So I just don't want us to do anything on there. I'm not doing the yen today. Yen is out of control. We need some discipline. We're gonna do the Swiss franc. Complete reload. We have this big liquidity right here. You see, wait for breaker structure. See the breaker structure here. I can take out this order block. It's been sitting there for a long time, so it's invalidated by others. So I'm just playing around. So let's get into the nitty gritty today. Go to the weekly. See what we got. This was a long time ago. This was on 13th of January. It's a long time ago. I haven't been here on the chart since I made the take profit. I'm just gonna scroll over to here. To the low, so we have a double low. We have a high here. We have 13th here. I can do this. might not want to. I don't know. I also want to put this here, but go to the daily. We can see more. I can. I might do this one, just because. Just because it's recent. It's like it's in this range. That's why. But yeah, 1 hour chart. Anything more? Wow, everything's just been cruising. You know, we've had a big movement up. I don't know, hourly time frame. So now we're gonna do the sessions. Um, I might not do I might not do Asian session to like pick it out. I'm not sure. It won't be nice. So I have London session open right here. Not the London session close right here. 8 o'clock we open 209. So close at 11. So I'm gonna just see. Yeah, this um 88 section over here. Might might just have to do it. Might just have to do the Asian session. So it starts at like 19. Highs, yep. Yerpski, yerp. We have this London session high over here. We have this Asian session. What time did Asian session close? Close at like 4 a.m. So you check out Asian session highs at the opening. Check out London session. I want to see something really quick. Alright, guys. I was just checking some of the um some of the gurus online, and I was just thinking, oh, how is it that people buy their courses? Meanwhile, if you check all their videos, half of what they post is just them flaunting their so-called wealth. I'm not saying they don't have wealth. They can prove it like with their broker statements and stuff. So I don't know what else you want me to say because you can't tell me you make more from trading rather than from your course. They invest more in their course because it's a business rather than trading because they're already gone through the emotional per se something. If something is so delicate, how would you give it out for um okay, let me put it this way. If something has value, how would you give it out for something as little as $1,000 per month? That doesn't make any sense. If it's so valuable, so if it's not valuable, that means they'll give it out for $100 per month. You see what I'm trying to say? Some people just don't want to put in the work. They just want a strategy and hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, then we'll go to the next strategy. Then after that strategy, move to another strategy. Strategy, move to the next strategy. Just like that, and keep on going. They don't want to learn. Those are like the type of things that people miss out. They want to be like spoon fed, basically. They don't want to like so all these kind of different skills that you learn, you're learning from practicing, not from getting getting it handed over to you. Like if someone didn't teach you how to ride a bike, once you still learn how to ride a bike, you learn by yourself by falling. It's just it's just sad, really. And it's when you lose trades, and that's when they pop up on your YouTube screen. Oh, come buy my course. I can help you not lose profit. And most of them, they say they don't trade on TradingView. They trade on a different platform. But on TradingView, when you see their charts, you either don't see the down panel, like you can see my panel right here. It would make it paper trading. I still do paper trading because I'm moving to a funded account, but they just leave it. They say they're profitable, but you see people trading here, or they trade on a different platform that it's not working and stuff like that. So most of them even stop streaming on YouTube because they don't get paid on YouTube as much. They see the course as more paid. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Rather than you can't get you can't get profitable fast. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm just gonna mark out this Asian session lows. It's just sad, really. Just sad. Hold on, I wanna also add another pair. Add another text. It just make me feel somehow like all they're gonna say, especially the ones in like foreign countries, like countries that are not like top. You know what I'm talking about? Like the like US, UK, Europe, Asia. I'm not saying those countries are bad. I'm just saying like people aren't exposed to it as compared to aren't exposed to it as compared to those in US, UK, Australia, Asia, because they're they have like sessions. I don't know how to put it in a way. Like you know how in there's the London session, Asian session, New York, New York session. There's the New Zealand session, so stuff like that. Like you don't see the what you call it, the Nigerian session, stuff like that. So it's just sad, really, because they flaunt their wealth. They flaunt their wealth rather than flying what they want. I don't want to call them out, but I'm gonna show you a peek what I'm talking about. Let me show you really quickly. Let me show you guys. Just someone type in chat, but it's cool. Um, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Those rules. I'm not calling anyone out, but let's be honest with each other. Let's see. Let me show you. Should I make it full screen? Let me make it full screen. Like some of them. Go follow. I'll follow this. All these new this because of him. I'm trying to find.
So profitable that we have more mentors than students. It took for the last
Forex guru, quote unquote, including myself, which I never call myself a guru because I'm not.
So you say you're not a guru, but you on here trying to sell a course. That doesn't make sense, Jeremy. How you don't consider yourself a guru? Well, if you really don't consider yourself a guru, then I suggest you stop trying to sell people BS. Stop trying to sell people courses. Stop trying to sell people Anki.
Like I don't know how people sell a course. Like okay, you want to get into a skill or a business, right? You already have business expenses like, oh, how am I gonna sell my product or how am I gonna advertise? You already have cost building up, right? Then you come again, you come and say, oh, come buy my course. I can teach you how to do those things. I'm like, you're already adding more cost when you don't even have the money to pay for that. So when people like pay for their course, you'll in their course they'll say, oh, you have to drop like 200 to get inventory. Meanwhile, you don't have that money to buy inventory. So I don't know how you gonna sell a course for 200. Like most of them, you see them either wearing something flashy, and they say they're not flexing. Like, let's be real.
This internet go why you born. This internet go why 98% of the successful forex traders you know in Nigeria are actually affiliate marketers. I'm about to shake the table. They are going to drag me. I know the fear. I stand, but I have.
I mean, you hate this.
The mentorship business model is now so profitable that we have more mentors than students. It joke. For the last 6 months, I've researched 1,287 Forex influencers, trying to see if I could find a pattern as to why they are so successful as they claim. But that mission failed successfully because although I couldn't find a specific trading behavior pattern common to all of them, I discovered something shocking. They were all selling something. Not one, not two, not three, but all of them. It was either an overpriced course, mentorship, robot, or signal. They preach to you learn and earn as if that's the only thing giving them money, hiding the other parts, sell and earn more. My problem is not even that they sell. I think selling is genius because it's a win-win. The student learns and the mentor makes money. Everybody is happy. My problem is that they portray their lifestyle as if it's just funded by trading alone, and that is selling dreams to beginners.
There's a big difference between me making $10,000 every month from trading, selling a course and making $100,000 from trading, from the course, and then portraying my lifestyle as if I was able to afford $100,000 per month. That's not true. That is selling a dream.
The truth is that most of them have other ways Forex money flows into their account aside from trading. Affiliates, YouTube, selling courses on mentorship, and assets investing are just a few of them. This doesn't mean you can't make it with trading alone. A lot of people have done it and they are not even flashing their lifestyle on social media. In fact, the top 10 traders are probably people you haven't heard of. But these influencers are always flashing their lifestyle, fast cars, and designer clothes on social media, telling you that it's not only possible but very achievable if you just buy their course. They make you believe that you have it in you and you are just missing one piece of the puzzle.
Whoever buys this because I don't know what it is because he copies people's script to work for a powerful crowd.
To be profitable is already out there for free on YouTube. It's something you have heard many times.
Everything you need to know about trading in this market is out there for free on YouTube.
The truth is actually much more simple and boring than you think. You just need 5 things and I won't charge you $99 for it. I'll give it to you for free. First and foremost, risk management. This is the most important aspect of trading because your primary aim as a trader is to protect your capital. Profit making is secondary. Next is education and continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends and strategies through free online resources on YouTube. This brings us to the third point, discipline and patience. Stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive, emotion-driven decisions. Consistency is key in trading, and without discipline, even the best tenacity. You can register with Pocket Broker and start trading within minutes without everything I mentioned above are things with luxurious analysis and ask the first question. Do the owner last $10,000 per month while you are still waiting for the coin to launch? So the next time you see a Forex selling is the only way to become rich and rotate one being and hiding from you. Now, the real question is why does Tate once said that the only way to make money is to take it from other people because you are not the central bank that manufactures it. So what is the best? Don't just practice normal selling, but they practice luxury selling, as this is evidenced by how expensive their mentorship is. If you take a look at similar videos I've made in the past, I didn't just call these influencers scammers and stop there some others did in their videos. That's thinking with a consumer mindset. I instead taught you to think with a producer mindset. In my own video, I exposed during a gold rush sell shovel principle and explain step by step how you can build a forex sales funnel and start doing the same thing your mentor is doing and hiding from you. Now, the real question is why does this strategy work so well? The answer lies in a psychological trick that has been mastered by these influencers. Once you understand it, you will never look at these gurus the same way again. Most of them aren't running the business they are pitching to you, they are selling the dream. We all crave money, status, and freedom, and their goal is to make you believe that your dream life is just one course, mentorship, or signal away. They tap into your inner desire to reach your full potential and use it against you. That is how they hook you in. But before you understand this concept of selling dreams online, you need to understand where it all began. The earliest gurus I can think of are Dave Ramsey and Robert Kiyosaki. They were started selling courses. That wasn't really a thing back then. They were selling books. They did a really good job at appealing to the working class that basically hated their job and wanted more from life. And they made a fortune doing it. In this video, you are going to be seeing a pattern with every one of these gurus. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, for example, gives financial advice on saving and real estate. In reality, he made all his money selling his book. But things really changed with a man with a vision and a rented Lamborghini.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
Tai Lopez revolutionized the self-help and money-making industry. His message was simple: you can get rich through knowledge and mentorship. He cracked the code on virality, and nobody could go a day without seeing that infamous Lamborghini ad. He promoted courses that promised the secrets to building a successful business.
The more you learn, the more you earn.
He essentially pioneered the online money-making blueprint that all of your favorite gurus like to use today. Whether you
Sad. Sad, actually. Because all they teach is, it's like, okay, how would I put this? They teach you what, okay, he teaches margin call and insufficient margin, for instance. He might be saying, oh, buy my course and I can get you, I can teach you margin call and insufficient margin. Meanwhile, I was just here. And he, like, most of them don't even explain, they don't even trade. Like, they always just, like, try and be around the bush for a while, then finally now come.
You know that the market is.
So, I don't know what else to say. It's actually really funny. Let's go back. I just wait. I was just using time to wait for Price to give me a distinct answer. So that's what I was waiting for. That's when I see what Price wants to do. You just see he has his lows and highs. It also, so these are the Asian session and non-session lows and highs. Wait, am I? Yeah, I'm right. So yesterday, what I also saw yesterday was that thought Price was gonna stop hitting volatility after 11 yesterday, but it proved me wrong. It proved me wrong really bad. Like, I want to show you guys this. I'm gonna reload the tab. Yeah, it really proved me wrong. Price ran up. So 11, let's go 11 p.m. Wait, 7, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. By 11 p.m. Price, see how much volatility was here? It was more than enough. I know it was slow around the time I was watching it, then just scaled down. I didn't take this trade because I wasn't too sure, and two, I was also tired. I didn't want to say it, sorry. But I didn't take this trade just because I wasn't too sure. Did I hit it? Yeah, I hit it eventually. I didn't take it. So to those that wonder, I didn't actually take the trade. I just wanted to see what could have happened. I just want to play out that trade. Then I saw this. I saw this volatility. It's not looking nice right now. Yeah, it is now. Let me see. What time is it right now? Okay, this was his. So I let this trade play out. Then after that, wait, not this one. Oh my god. Let me clear this. Too much drawing on my chart. Yeah, I let this play trade out. Then lo and behold, we saw this resistance. That's a resistance. It's sell side liquidity. So we have the sell side liquidity right here. We should have taken it. I don't know why. I mean, you lose some, you lose some, but this sell side liquidity was big. Like a 3-2-1. I just wait for a break of structure. Break of structure. Basically, break of structure means price closes above the previous low. So, to be honest, I'll place it at the Asian low because I like to be distinct. Take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here. I mean, stop at New York because I'm not too sure to be risking that much. But those that would have traded here, five, I doubt it. I doubt if anyone did this. But this, I will definitely enter this because of this market. That's what I was sad about the other night. So I had this price retrace, then breaker structure close here. This was a good one because he could have gone all the way back to the sell side. It's up here. Remedy is in the power. So we finally hit after I'm playing. We hit after, let me see. It should be here. The remedy is in the, so we hit after 1 day. Alright. Oh, but something like this will have made me. I'll just look off the chart. But I knew I had a feeling it would have hit. I just I feel my problem is that I'm too focused on the session. Like I'll trade if price action is good and economic news aren't good. I think that's why I'll just base my trades off. So that's the main thing about this. The pound. That's what I was sad about the pound dollar. Made me sad. I want to clear all joints that are not that are previous because it's getting out of control. It's looking my chart looking like a zoo right now. You think we should clear the resistance? You guys reckon? I want to keep the resistance because it's good. I want to clear the highest lows and or not. Remedy is in their power. But you guys like to listen to like listening to jazz. Wait, Glasper, to be precise, right now. This is my go-to. When he was live at Capitol Studios, yeah, this this is my go-to like jazz right now because he's tough. He really is. Apparently, he's hosting a show at Houston. Hosting a show at Houston. But yeah, that's what he's doing. Planning on doing. It's cool. I really like his shows. And this one's for free as well, so I don't know what else to say to you. He's him. He's him. He's definitely him. So that's it about Robert Glasper. So now we're going back into trading about what do we want to do? We want to go to the weekly. What do you want to find? We want to find. You guys think I should come up with the like what do you call the thing? Acronym. Yeah, an acronym for the strategy. You guys reckon? We have this lows here, this low here. This gets invalidated. It might not. I just want to take it out. Can put it back if it needs to. So this big support, big support, big support, big support, big support, big support. I reckon we'll see a big fair value here. I'm gonna take out all the old fair values, all those things. I'm gonna start fresh. You know, like start fresh, 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 fresh. No, not that one. I'm gonna start fresh. Any other one? I like this resistance support because it's 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 distinctive. I don't know. I haven't been serious right now, but all of them just flaunt their wealth. I don't. Is it me or it's actually a very good topic? Yeah, it's funny. Actually, a very good topic. Daily, going to daily, we see, you know, going to daily, we see this beautiful. I need those are high tonight. Okay, we cooked. We cooked. Beef are cooked. I can drag this resistance here. Just making my new support. If somebody types in chat, like if someone other than a bot types in chat, I'll remove my resistance and support lines. That's all I need. I'll remove my resistance support lines. And you know the funny thing I just saw right now was that I checked one of the the guru's page, and I saw he copied a picture because I'm like, oh, this picture looks familiar. Because I saw an app on the App Store that said how to trade forex, and I saw the same picture. So when I clicked on his course and I saw that oh, he's using the same picture, I'm like, how people believe that he's actually you get me? So yeah, yeah. I don't know what to say right now. I've made it my promise to like stop delaying on trades. Like when I start the live stream, I promise to stop delaying the trades. So if somebody types in chat, oh, I'm gonna do it. By 11 we can get what we need ready and set. So 1 hour time frame. Look at it. Notice something nice. Anything nice. Anything nice. You can't see anything nice. Price is just looking at me and just like you're taking a piss right now. I mean, the price action was yesterday. It was yesterday, so I don't blame myself. Sorry, I blame myself. I don't. We just see it's in this support. Okay, this is a good zone. It might be looking for resistance. You can't see it right now. This magnet is too strong. So for this, we call this a buy side liquidity. That's what we call it. That's what I told you. You reckon? I reckon we enter. This is not strong enough, so we can call it an order block. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's a 1 hour order block. So let's call it an order block since it's on a 1 hour. So it's gonna look big on the lower time frame. Let me X this magnet because it's taking here's do we call we bring the what we missed it, no? Missed it. I don't know why we missed it. I was talking about it. We're just talking about it. Was this was yesterday. This work good. I wanna see if I missed. Okay, so today's work we haven't done today's work today. I'm sad. The order block one was invalidated because we should have seen it yesterday evening. I wish I did, but we didn't. So we're in the middle of nowhere. Not quite. We can still take another trade. I hope we take a trade today because I've been hungry. Been hungry for trades. So we're gonna go. Wait, today's Wednesday. Why is this all the way here? So 0 o'clock started the London session. Gonna work fast, guys. Work fast, work fast. 11 o'clock, they go away. They go away. Not for long. So we have the New York. New York started by like 9. A lot of people call it 8 o'clock. I don't know. Let's actually check FOREX Factory to be sure. 100% sure. It should come up. It should come up. So it does start by 3 a.m. and end by midday. Okay, so it ends in by midday. So not 11 p.m. So we've been getting it wrong. Starts by 8 a.m. Does it? I don't know. So 8 a.m. So it does start by 8 a.m. 8 a.m. I know this starts by 5 p.m. So that's why they say it's 24/7. You're smart. You are smart. So it closes by 12 p.m. apparently. We got next hour. Got an extra hour. Next hour to play with the charts. Got an extra hour to play with the charts. We got an extra hour to play with the charts. We got an extra hour to play with the charts. We got an extra hour to play with the charts. We got an extra hour to play with the charts. We got an extra hour to play with the charts. Sorry. Asian sessions started by 19. She says she don't know. So now we go in the lower time frame to see what the fuss is all about. See what the fuss is all about. You see this Asian session highs. So this is a week. This is the weekly high. Wait, is that the highest one? Yep, you got it. Wait. So that means we're really, yeah. We can't hit these ones. There's no way we're hitting these ones this week. We might hit it the other week, but not this week. I'm gonna check something. I don't think we did it right today. I'm gonna do this week's highs and lows. We have this week. So this week, wait. Okay, here. So this week has been really slow. I knew it. I knew this week. Last week was strong, but this week was slow. Thank God we took failure last week. Um. So the high. Okay, so it's on the resistance. So okay. That's why I wanted to confirm because I wasn't seeing it. So go ahead to 30-minute, play with him a little more. So this is the weekly low, the low for this week. So you pass, reset, reset, reset this high. We passed the weekly high twice. So it's giving us an option that, hey, you're gonna go down. You're gonna work with us or you're not. So we see that it goes down. Finally touches grass for the first time. But let me see how. Let me see. So we finally see that price finally wants to. I want to see how far it went down. So entered here, close of this. Alright. These guys aren't too sure. Too sure. If I saw this, I'd have probably entered the close of this. But if I just saw it once, I'd have entered. I'll double check. So we have a 48 pip down. I could have entered here. So I don't want to. Because you never know. You never know. They're just coming there. So wait for this. So we have this big gap. This big gap. So it's just been a 48, 40 something pip movement. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. I didn't know my is it still showing? I didn't know. Okay. I was just checking this. I don't know why I always forget to close it. So we have this movement down here, 65. No, not 65. Because I would have entered around here and we don't play with that. So entered at the close of this and we going all the way down here. So that's the 50p movement down. So we have the 50p movement down. Let's have this break structure all the way down. So we have 40 something, average is like 45. We have this 45 movement down. So now, we see that price has gone down and finally brought resistance with him. So now we're going back up. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to go back up. But before that, we have to lock in our profits and see what's up fuss about. Locking the profits. We see Asian session high over here. Asian session high. Asian session high. So see, oh, so no one has dared. Okay, so we see London session high. So London. So people, we broke London session highs twice. Sorry, we broke Asian session highs twice in both pairs, USD and the USD and the pound dollar. That's good. So we have the London session high. So we also have the New York session. New York is lacking really, but that's good because we can enter it. You see, that's the mentality we want. We want to enter it when it's down. You know the Gunna song came from the bottom. I'm sorry. So we have these lows right here. These lows at 4, so they close at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. I don't know if I can count it. I mean, this is the last low. I'm not gonna validate that because it's not good. It's like it's like bouncing off the New York session high, current high right now. So we can't really say that, but we're gonna definitely count this London session lows because they were close to the weekly low today. So London session low, they were close to the weekly low today. So I'm gonna give them a round of applause. So this is definitely gonna be a stop loss here. So now we're gonna find our fair value gap anyone or an order block we can see. We can retrace from it. We can retrace from it. We can retrace from this one right here. We wanna go to a lower time frame to see if we can find anything that's gonna make it up for us. Honestly, I just might wanna move V. Make it horizontal. Still not good. Vertical. So I can barely. So we can barely see it. So yeah, I think top is the best. Top is the best. Top center. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna run with nowadays. So if you got a problem with me, so call. We have two, so that's the problem right now. So got this template. I'm gonna save it as long the session. Run the session. Then we're gonna override it. So now we click along the session. So we have this agent session. I'm gonna change this agent session for me. Make it yap. Ear. No. We want it flat. Want it flat. Like a good boy. Yeah. Let's have this New York. New York. Anyone join the chat? No. We are so well. We have no branding. Now we're talking. We can see the charts now. See the charts now. You can see the charts now. Charts now. What do we notice? Oh yep. I've seen the order block. We're gonna use order block. We're gonna use once price retrace, we're going in the market. Mhm. You reckon this? I wanna wait. So we're gonna wait till price comes here. So what we gonna do is gonna send an alert. Gonna add an alert. Hopefully they allow me. They do. Yay. 581, 581, 581, 581. Oh, we wait for that to happen. Well, I want to go on lower time frame. Let's see what the fuss is all about, G. So we have this touching the order block, order block. So we want price to just come back and just gearing up, just go gearing up area. So I might first go long. Let's see if we go long today. We go long all the way. Come here, price just comes here, just touches it. Sorry, just touches it and goes all the way down. Yep. 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 You think we'll be stingy if we do London session? I don't know per se. We won't be stingy. Let's go London session. You think we're gonna go back to London session highs? I think so. Think so? Yeah. We missed it. We can still catch it. I'm gonna catch it today. Just give it a fair value gap. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, boom, boom, fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, wow, value gap, wow. So now we see, what do we see? What's that? What's that? Section. We see this. What's that? See this reversal here? It might have to go short. I might think so. Wait, no. He retraced it. What's that? This liquidity over here. So we come here. Mm. So what do we do? We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna give an order. Let's see. 365. 365. Yep. Get out of here. Get out of here. Price come down. Price is coming down. Price is coming down. Price is coming down. So what pair do you want to do today? Let's go and ask FinViz. FinViz is the way. So I want to check Action Forex, see how it looks. So that's what we're gonna do now. Hopefully you guys can see it. Here and out. Hold on. I'll show you guys FinViz. Alright, boom, yeah. I just got this. Currently, it's like Finviz, but better, and they don't charge you as much. Not as much, they just don't charge you. So, we have the Euro USD, regular stuff we see on TradingView. So we even have a heat map. That's what caught my eye, and we have action bias. So, to be honest with you, Bruce, dear Bruce, gonna be honest with you. So how you read this is simple, really. Euro US, oh, it's simple, really. As I said, so the pairs are trading right now. You know the pairs are trading right now. You know the pairs are trading right now. We're trading the pound dollar and this. So right now on the daily, it says it's bullish. That's gonna change to neutral very soon. Um, on the Swiss, yeah, everything's neutral. That's why I said we can't be taking like large trades right now because everything's looking really good right now. I know for the pound, yeah, some are gonna be bullish. Wow, the yen is wow. It's little, you have to wow. The yen is wow. I think I'm gonna start using Action Forex more than Forex Factory. No, I lied. Forex Factory is my dick right or die. So we're gonna give it. So we're gonna go back here and gear on to the heat map. We have the USD heat map. So we're doing USD Swiss franc. It's hot right now because it's bullish. Pound is hot right now because it's bullish. So this is very, very bullish. The CAD. So I'm gonna look at the USD CAD. So what do you want to check? We want to check. Mm-hmm. You want to check it on the action bias on the actual USD CAD. What's that? What's that? We see bullish. We're going bullish. Damn right, we're going bullish. Euro USD is going down. USD GNP is going down. Last one I want to check is the pivot points. I don't know what this is. I might read it about it because we like to read. We like to read. So I think it's basically where price. Yeah, ours is a little okay. So what's that? No. So we have the standing points, standing pivot points. Got the standing pivot point. No, this is actually a very good app. I'm gonna use this in my day to day. So hopefully we can see it. So, oh, oh no. Are you seeing this move? How did you miss it? Wait, was it today? It was today. No way. What even cost it? Do you see anything we cost it? I don't think we see it. No? What's that? I think this was news. Or you can use this liquidity right here. But news, I think this was based on news alone. It has negative. Sorry. Oh, it's not working. News. It's going. Don't leave us. No, he's going. He's leaving us. He came back, but he's leaving us. He didn't cross. He's leaving us. So in 30 minutes, gonna look. Oh, it did cross. So why am I? It's my fault, really. I'm the one you should be blamed about. So now we see that price is going down. If it goes all the way to our London, then fuck, really, really. I should have traded this. I don't know why. Sorry. So we're gonna do the yen. I just want to show you guys the yen. We're gonna do the CAD, and we're gonna call it a day. Call it a day, a month, a year. This is too many drawings on this. Too many drawings. Too many drawings. So 30-minute chart. So final game tracement. Price wants to go back up. I'm gonna reset chart view. X this out. X this out. So you see this. What is it? Price wants to go back up. Because this is move up. Not check the news. Who's the enemy? What's the again? Oh, what that? What's that? Well, there was a tariff 30 hours ago, so hopefully that settles it. I don't know. Someone's coming back. So first things first is that we're gonna do this. FEG. We're gonna see Price wants to what Price wants to do. I wish we didn't have to. No, do I think Price is gonna come up? I'm gonna just increase my fair value. That's what I plan on doing. So we're gonna make it 409048. So if he leaves us, I don't know what to say, but yeah, that's it for the stream, really, because price on the yen. So okay, so here, this is what I'm talking about. So price actually cut through, and we're gonna go long. We are gonna go long, and we're gonna leave our resistance here because we're not greedy children. No, let me put my price here. We're not greedy, so let's make price. Make I wanna make it a buy stop. We can make it a buy limit if you're fast enough. Buy. I'm gonna buy the market. I'm gonna buy a limit. Actually, it's gonna be a stop. 5-1. How many units? Can I get units in the chat? Units in the chat. First stop loss, second stop loss, third stop loss. Do you think we're gonna go back to London? I think we might restore. I think we're gonna go back to London. This was this morning, so yeah, we probably might at the end of the day. Probably might at the end of the day go back to London. I don't know. It's really if we go back to London, should we go back? Let's go back to London. We do London to London. That's funny. Um, let's do 3539. I can take 1-3. Go back to London. I say go back to London. Let's do London to London. We're in, ladies and gentlemen. We're in the trade. We are in the trade. We are in the trade. We are in the trade. 301. Just 17. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Just 17. Do you know how many pips we're doing? Okay. Damn, why is it just 17 though? Did I do something wrong? I'm doing a 4 to 5 risk reward and I just get 17. Yeah. Yeah. London, 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 London bells, London bells, London bells, London bells, London bells, the London bells, London. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, watch out for the spread. Oh, I'm gonna get stuff out now. Somebody hate me. Somebody hate me. Oh, you gotta say nothing. Be strong. You think I'm gonna get stuff out? No. Gotta believe, believe. Believe. If we do, hopefully we don't. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna get stuff out because we believe. We believe. We took that trade in. We're gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Uh, things in action? No, I don't think so. I feel if we made this, it's gonna go up. It's good we moved our stop loss to resistance. Now we wait for magic to happen. So we check the USD CAD and call it a day. So for this, I don't know, missed it. Don't like missing it. Well, I didn't want to miss it twice because I missed it twice. And this is going all the way over of London to the high, weekly high. You think it hasn't come to the weekly high in a minute? So I don't know how factual that is. This was last week. So I wanted to come back to the high of today, but what more can I say? Okay. So CAD. Uh, we might get stopped out. We just might get stopped out. Might. Too build for liquidity. I don't know. Weekly. We already drew on this, so this was a long time ago. Finish your deal. I'm gonna take out this resistance. So they taking up his. something else. We look. We're looking. We're looking. We're looking. And look. That's up down. Yep. 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 So, what do we learn? We're greedy. We're greedy. Greedy. Whatever further. Should we record the trade? Oh no, we lost a bill on that. To record it, we can't. Let's record it to show our stupidity. It wasn't a bad trade, really. I just didn't weigh in the causes like this. I could have gone reverse. If I was gonna reverse, I don't know where we're going to go. I don't think we're gonna reverse down here. Let me watch this because price is taking a big piece. I'm finished with the cat. So let me just reset this. I'm gonna record that on stream, and yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate you guys coming in to watch it, even though you don't watch it for me, but I'm really grateful. So the broke Asian session has an issue session low, so we're not looking at this trade anymore. We're looking at something else. That's what we should be thinking about. Looking at a reversal at the top. So we see this gap right here. I want to see what price wants to do. If price breaks it, the gap right here, then you know we're gonna reverse them. So we're just gonna wait for that. Same thing with this. So now price wants to go up. Really price. Let's just wait. So back test done. Thank you guys for actually tuning in today. I want you guys to see more on Action Forex. We're gonna use Action Forex more often. Why I used to trade Action Forex, FinViz, Forex Factory, and yeah, those are like three things I trade with. Forex Factory. Go to use FinViz. It should come up right now. The FinViz. Those are like three apps that I use. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot in chat, type me an email. Yeah, and without further ado, let's call it a day. Peace. See you guys tomorrow because price action should be good tomorrow. Bye.